One of the challenges technicians have when they're driving onto a rack is seeing where the passenger side wheel is on the runway. Typically the technician can look out the driver's side window and see where the left side of the vehicle is, but he doesn't see where the right side of the vehicle is. So the Geoliner 770 has a built-in integrated drive-on camera that allows the technician to look at the screen and see where the right front wheel is when driving forward onto the runways. The Geoliner 770 comes with a tire clamp. This eliminates any metal-to-metal contact with the rim. Basically, you slide it up over the tire and you rotate the knob until you hear 2 clicks. That puts the proper torque on the wheel clamp and takes out any play, so you have good accurate readings. The clamp is adjustable from 19-inch outside diameter tire all the way up to a 39 outside inch diameter tire, so it fits a very wide range of tires and very easy to install and very fast to install. The optional VIN scanner makes it real easy to enter the correct year, make, and model of the vehicle. This prevents the technician from having to select individual menus and select the year, make, and model. Very quick and easy. Just open the door, scan the VIN, and it automatically enters that vehicle into the Geoliner information system. When performing compensation on a larger vehicle, sometimes the vehicle can block the view of the Geoliner screen, and that's where VOTI comes into play. VOTI instructs the operator on where to roll, which direction, and when to stop the vehicle during compensation. VOTI is Vehicle Orientational Directional Indicator. The Geoliner 770 has what we call Compensate Warn Alert. This will compensate for wheel runout in an alignment process. If you get a warning, it will also compensate for wheel runout and give you a good accurate alignment. But if you get an alert, that means it's a critical error and a bad alignment readings would be measured. So it will make you correct what is wrong before it will allow you to go forward. This ensures an accurate alignment. The Geoliner 770 is equipped with an audit mode. This allows you to take a quick audit measurement of the vehicle's camber and tow readings and perform an automatic printout. This can usually be done in around 2 minutes. Measuring caster with the Geoliner 770 is fast and easy. Just follow the on-screen directions and a quick turn, and caster is measured. The Geoliner 770 automatically checks the height of the cameras to the vehicle. This saves the technician time during the alignment process, so the technician can move the car to any comfortable working height without any additional time spent moving cameras. The all-new graphic display with all screens optimized for maximum visibility and clarity. Instant access to critical tasks with a predictive alignment flow that provides only the steps you need. Some alignments can be very challenging for technicians, especially when a vehicle has been in a collision or accident. The Geoliner 770 is equipped with what we call a vehicle dimension screen, which allows the technician to see an overall look of all dimensions on the vehicle. The first picture to the left here is a vehicle's front setback. Then it has rear setback on the vehicle, front track width, rear track width, track difference on the left side front to rear, track difference on the right side front to rear, a cross-diagonal measurement of the vehicle to tell you how square the vehicle is, and there's also a measurement of the center of the front axle and center of the rear axle. The Geoliner 770 is equipped with a rolling radius measurement. This is useful in informing customers with all-wheel drive vehicles if they have different tires from front to back. Different size tires on an all-wheel drive vehicle can put excessive load on the viscous coupling unit and cause it to fail prematurely. In addition to that, it can inform the technician of 2 different size tires on the front of the vehicle that can also induce a pull. To simplify the screens even more, the technician can select to just look at the rear of the vehicle or just look at the front of the vehicle. This reduces the amount of information on each screen. The technician has selected the front alignment readings. You have left and right front caster, cross caster for pulling. You also have left camber, you have right camber, and also cross camber to diagnose pulling. And then you have your left and right individual toe, as well as total toe in the center. Just follow the on-screen prompts on the aligner, lift the front of the vehicle with the rolling jacks, set the vehicle down on the locks, press the next button, and now you have the same readings that you had down on the rack with the vehicle lifted and the suspension unloaded. The Geoliner 770 has a wheels off mode. This mode assists the technician in adjusting vehicles with difficult to reach adjustments. Just select the wheels off from the menu, follow the on-screen instructions, removing the wheel and mounting the target onto the rotor. Install the optional hub adapter or wheels off adapter onto the rotor using 2 lug nuts. Remove the clamps from the AC 400 clamps. Install the clamp onto the pins on the hub adapter. Tighten the clamp up. Now you can see it's easy access to make the camber adjustment or install a camber kit. Once the adjustment is completed and the bolts are torqued to manufacturer specifications, follow the on-screen instructions to install the wheel and the clamp, and now the aligner will step you through an individual wheel compensation. We do this by rotating the wheels and follow the instructions on the screen. Then we lower the vehicle and we're ready to finish with the front toe adjustment. The Geoliner 770 is equipped with a live cradle adjust screen. This can be selected from the menu. This can be helpful for the technician, especially when they have a car with an adjustable cradle, which may have very difficult OEM adjustments for camber, which may require drilling the strut or grinding the strut and elongating holes. This can simplify the adjustment because the technician just jacks the car up, setting it on the roller jacks, setting it on the lock, and then shift the cradle until the center reading is in the green. The Geoliner 770 is equipped with an A-arm adjust screen. This is very helpful to new technicians that may get confused on adjusting an A-arm. You just follow the on-screen prompts and move the front of the control arm in the direction to get the red meter in the center of the green dial. Then you go to the rear of the control arm and adjust the other red meter to the center of the green dial, and this adjusts both caster and camber simultaneously. It also has a button to select for a lower control arm. Many of the new trucks have the adjustment on the lower control arm. The Geoliner 770 is equipped with a feature we call Easy Toe. This simplifies and speeds up the toe adjustment for the technician. Sometimes when adjusting toe, the technician can get the right side adjusted and then start to adjust the left side, and the right side changes, increasing his time and readjustment on the front end. The Easy Toe feature eliminates that process from occurring. Adjust the right side once, adjust the left side once, and the toe is completed. One of the challenges for technicians in wheel alignment is how to make the adjustment or information about the vehicle. Just select the alignment procedure menu and you have information at your access, ride height, adjustment procedures, specifications, instructions, torquing specifications, detailed instructions on how to make the adjustment. Provided by the OEM. In addition to the alignment procedures is parts and tool information by various aftermarket suppliers. The part numbers and instructions are included in the aligner, and some videos in some cases. Once the alignment is completed, we have multiple printouts that can be selected by the technician. Here you can see a digital printout is displayed. You can also scroll to display a vehicle dimensions printout. This is helpful in sending to a body shop when you have difficulty in getting something to adjust. Then we also have the audit printout available. These can all be printed or also can be uploaded to the cloud and emailed to customers. On the audit printout, during the initial measurement, it also measures max tire diameter, cross-diagonal difference of the vehicle, and your right and left wheelbase to inform the technician if the vehicle has possible serious problems prior to the alignment. The Geoliner 770 is also equipped with wireless communication ability. Navigate, monitor, and control the unit from anywhere in the shop using a tablet. The Geoliner 770 is equipped with the easy access clamp storage system. The Geoliner 770 is a one-piece mobile system, folding beams, small footprint, and casters which allow you to move the unit around the shop as required.